Oh my gosh. Oh my. Yo. Look. Hey guys, it's TheCurlySage and welcome back to another video. So as you guys can see in the title, I'm going to be doing a video in partnership with Boohoo, and I've been wanting to do a Boohoo video for so long. Like, I really like their clothes, so this is just very convenient. So I have this huge package right here, and I'm very excited to try these on. So let's just get started. So the first thing I'm going to try on is actually just a bodysuit. If you're new to my channel, I love bodysuits. Like, those are just my go-to, especially square neck bodysuits. So it just looks like this. Has a square neck. It has like a thong type bottom, and thong type bodysuits are the go-to just because like you can't see your panty line. So let's just try this on. So it actually is a bit see-through. I'll put like a black box here, but I really like the cut. I just love square necklines. I don't know, I think they're very flattering. But I actually ordered a size too small, so it literally like doesn't, like it doesn't clasp. So that's my fault. Yeah, I'm still gonna wear it just because it's really nice, but I wish I ordered the right size, so that's my bad. So with this bodysuit on, I'm gonna try these jeans I got. So these are just high-rise jeans. I always get high-waisted jeans, like always, just because I have a small waist and a big butt, so it's very, like, I just can't do low-rise jeans, like, at all. So I got these in a size 6 just to be safe. I'm usually like a size 4, but on the Boohoo website it gives you like a guideline about like sizing, so this is the size that was recommended to me. So these are what the jeans look like. They're actually rolled up a bit, so they're like more of like a loose fit, and I'm definitely glad I got a size 6. The waist is a bit big, so I have this gap going on, but I'll just wear a belt. I actually like these a lot. They're like old school kind of style. Like, they're not super tight. Oh wait, what? Oh, it has faux pockets, which is interesting. Yeah, I definitely have to wear a belt with these, but I don't know, I really like vintage style jeans, so these are giving me that kind of vibe. Yeah, so I'll definitely have to wear a belt with these, but I do like them though. So next I'm going to try on this. This is a crop sweater. Ooh, yes. So this is what it looks like. That is nice. Ooh, I like this. Ooh. This can go on. Oh, I definitely like this. Let me take off the bodysuit. This is nice. I love like cropped sweaters. So next I'm just going to try on this hoodie. I've been looking for this for so long, and I finally got one, and I hope it fits well. And I think I'm going to pair it with these boyfriend jeans that I got. Alright, so my bad, this isn't a hoodie, it's a crew neck, but I'm going to be wearing this so much. Like, I've been wanting a friend's hoodie or sweatshirt. Like, I'm so glad I finally have this. It's just like a simple like throw on type of vibe, and these jeans are so nice. Like, I was scared of how they were gonna fit just because it's hard to get like a boyfriend or mom jean type of fit when you have like a big behind. These actually fit really nice. They fit better than the other ones. I don't even think I'll need to wear a belt with these, because like there's a bit of a gap, but it's like they're not, it doesn't feel like they're like slipping. And please ignore the furniture you see on the ground and in the back and stuff. I'm like redoing my room, so I made like an IKEA run, just ignore that. So with these, I don't really mind that like it's a bit looser just because they're boyfriend jeans, so they're supposed to fit looser. So yeah, these are gonna be a new favorite. So next I actually got 2 leggings. They're the exact same thing but different colors. I just saw these on the site, especially this color. I'm just like, I need those in my life. So I'm just gonna wear the leggings with this hoodie that I got. On Boohoo, they actually have like a lot of, I think it's like a collection they have going on, but a lot of shirts and pants they have like a slogan that just says women on it, which I really like. So I got this hoodie in black, and the slogan is in black as well, but they have different colors. Like you can get a black hoodie with like women in white. They have a lot of different options. You see, I keep mistaking this. This isn't a hoodie, it is just a oh yes, oh I'm so glad I got this. So when I was deciding what to get, I was deciding between this and the same thing but in a hoodie version, and I'm very happy I got this one. I've been wanting like a half zip type of like crew neck. I'm hyped. Oh man, these are fire! I've been wanting to find some like really nice high-waisted leggings. But yeah, this is the fit. Black on black on black, skin, clothes. Dude, these are nice. So as you can see, this is the top. It just says here, woman right here. I don't know, I just really like how it's like written and stuff. So you can wear it in a lot of different ways. You can fold down the collar like so, zip it up. And then the leggings, super comfortable. They are a tiny bit see-through, like nothing serious, but like 90% of leggings I buy, I have to like double up. Like the only leggings that I've bought that aren't see-through are when they're like double layered, and not a lot of leggings are made like that. So I'm very used to just like doubling up. I just wear like a really thin pair of leggings underneath my regular leggings. So that's what I'll do with these as well. These are super fire. I've been wanting to find like some really nice high-waisted leggings, so when I saw these, I'm just like, I need those. So all of the clothes that are in this video I got from the New In collection, so I'll link that down below. If you're worried about sizing, I would say that the size is pretty accurate, because they, as I said, they had like this little thing on the website where you can just, they ask you like your height, your weight, everything, and then they recommend you what size to get. And then it'll tell you like a poll of like who bought the size that was recommended. There'll be like 80% of the people who got the recommended size that fit them. So I must say that the sizes have been pretty accurate so far, except for the first pair of jeans. Like it fit, but just if you have a big butt and a small waist, you get that gappage problem. I'm gonna put on the same exact leggings but in this color. I'm super hyped to see how these look. And then I'm gonna pair it with this. So I really like old school kind of clothing, like vintage looking jeans and all that stuff, like windbreakers. So I saw this. It's like a windbreaker material but in a hoodie, and it's like a button up, and I'm just like, I need that, so I'm gonna wear these together. Oh, are you crazy? Jeez! Oh my gosh. Are you crazy? Oh my. Jeez. Yo. Look. Yo, I'm so hyped. Look at this. You know, they had these in another color as well. I think they were like a khaki kind of color, but I'm always scared to get leggings that look like similar complexion to my skin, because I feel like from far away it'll look like I have no pants on. But these, oh, I'm so glad I got these. This color, are you crazy? I don't know why I just did that. I'm getting too excited. I need to simmer down. But I just sewed that back on. It took like 5 minutes. I'm so in love with this, like this outfit in general, but both pieces, like and this you can tighten up as well and tie it off like so. Oh my gosh. So I'm someone who doesn't wear, like, if I'm ever gonna wear like a crop top, I always wear with high-waisted leggings, so just like very small amount of my stomach shows. Next I'm going to try this puffer jacket that I got. I've been wanting a puffer jacket for a while now. I originally wanted it in medium, but then they messaged me and said that they didn't have medium, so they sent a large instead. And I hope it fits well. I wanted like an oversized look anyway, so should be good. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. Oh my gosh, look at this material. This material is so soft. Oh my gosh. So you definitely will not be able to wear this in the rain. This is more like a fall type of puffer jacket. I'm just gonna put it over this for now because I only have a bra under this. I'm not trying to like expose y'all. Oh yes. Okay. You know, I was originally very scared when she said that she sent the large instead, but this is actually how I kind of wanted it to fit. Because it has actually like more of like a cropped look. Like if you can see here, the back's longer than the front. Jeez, I feel like I'm in the Matrix. I don't know if I would wear it zipped up all the way. But I would definitely say if you were to get this jacket, order a size up. Because I was going to get a medium. But this fits like a medium too. Or it's just, I feel like it's more like cropped. So if you don't want it to be too cropped, then order a size up. This is nice though. It's so soft. I cannot stress how soft this is. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. This I like. I'd probably wear it folded down like this. Guys, this literally feels like a pillow. Like, oh my. I wish you can feel this through the screen. Okay. I definitely like it more like folded down like this. I don't really think I'd wear it like a turtleneck kind of vibe. You guys can let me know how it looks, but this is literally the first puffer jacket I've ever worn, so I would have to get used to the high like neck, but I definitely like it like this. I like how we'll probably wear this to work tomorrow. Fire! So next I have the sets. So this one is a lounge set. It's just a top and bottom, so I'm gonna put this one on. Oh my gosh. I'm actually so surprised how well this fits. Wow. Oh, I just love when I put on pants and they fit all the way to the ankle. Like, it's just great. Look at that. Dang. This is so nice. This is definitely like loungy, like loungewear. So it's like a knit material, or I don't know if you guys can see this, but the material of this is kind of like knit-ish. I don't know if that makes sense. I really did not think I would like it this much. I love the color, like I love everything about this. I really like how the waist at the top is like kind of flared. Yes. Okay, Boohoo, I see you. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy because the pants aren't see-through. Like, I'm probably gonna wear these pants to work tomorrow. This in particular I ordered because I liked the pants a lot. So I'm just like, it's a set, but I really like the pants, so let me just order the set. Because so many times when I'm searching online and I'm like, I see like sets, I'm like, I don't know if I would wear that. It seems too like matchy-matchy. This is the first time I've bought a set that I would actually wear together. Like, anytime I buy sets online, I never wear it as a set. I did not think I would like the top, just because of the stripe, but I'm really feeling this. So the next set I have is this tracksuit. It's like a similar color. I got some pants like a few months ago that are similar in color and I really like them, so I decided to get something else similar. So let's just try these on. Track pants are like my thing. Like, I wear track pants multiple times a week. Like, they're just my go-to. So I hope these fit all the way to the ankle. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna cry. Yes! Just the pants alone. You can't go wrong. Oh man, this is so comfortable too. Yes, I'm so happy. I'm just happy that I have like 2 new pairs of track pants. Look at that. They look like a freaking marshmallow. I love this. I'll probably wear like them not as a set more, but if I'm just like running out somewhere and I want to throw something on, I'll probably wear it as a set. But this is nice. So actually all I have left are some dresses. So this one is a square neck midi dress. So I've been wanting a square neck dress for a really long time, so I'm gonna try this one on first. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. I'm shook. So obviously I wouldn't wear it with a bra, and anytime I wear things like this that are like really thin spaghetti straps, I don't wear strapless bras, I wear like bandeaus. I just feel like that looks better. So let me just tuck these in. for the visual, oh my god. I don't know why, I just love square necks so much. Like, I just feel like they're so flattering. Oh my goodness. So this is with the bra tucked in. Look how nice that, oh, it's so like, this is just in time for summer. Like, this is gonna be my summer dress. So because it's so stretchy, it's really like fitted. It just hugs all of your curves. And probably a lot of people have this problem too, where you put a dress on and you get this like weird little like extra material here. So you look like this and just look like you have like no shape. But this hugs you in all the right places. I love the length of this. Like, this is exactly what I was looking for. I wanted a black square neck dress that was below the knee but still fitted. This is perfect. This is definitely gonna be my go-to dress when the weather gets nice. Oh yeah, and now that I drive, you guys didn't know, I'm driving now, so I'm gonna be doing a car tour soon. And just like the shape of the dress, if it wasn't stretchy, you literally wouldn't be able to walk. But since it's so stretchy, like, you will not have any problems. I literally could have gotten a size smaller just because it's so stretchy, but I'm definitely gonna be rocking this. If they have more colors in this, I think they do, then I will probably order some more. I only like neutral colors though, so if they have like a olive green or like a khaki or beige, I'll definitely be getting some more. Like, I will spend my own coin and buy this. That's how much I like it. So the next dress I have is a maxi dress. So this is hopefully going to be another summer dress. You know what? This is actually very nice too. It's not a square neck, it's just like a regular like swooped neckline. Not swooped, I don't know. But this is really nice. I definitely remember ordering this one. In the bag, I'm like, wait, when? I forgot what it looked like, but now that it has the tags, I remember getting this. This is how it was in the pictures. Like, this is how it was tied. You could do a bow, but that is definitely not really my style. I definitely like how it looks just like this. This is really nice though. It's also very stretchy. The other one is a bit more stretchy, but this definitely has some stretch to it. This is really nice actually. I feel like this actually has a more of a summery vibe just because of the tie. So this one is a bit longer, of course, because it is a maxi dress, but I definitely like the length. I just really like dresses that are below the knee. I don't know, I just do. This one is also ribbed like the other one. And the reason I got this was just because I like how it looks. Like, I like wearing dresses and then just tying like a nice like plaid, or not even plaid, just any kind of like shirt around the waist. So this is the kind of vibe that's giving. So this one actually hugs a bit more than the other one because this one was in like the petite section. I'm not petite. I'm like average, like curvy, I guess. I don't know. I feel like this one will look better with like Converse or Vans. I just feel like it's more like a casual type of dress. I'm very excited for summer now. Like, you guys don't even know. Wow, Boohoo, you have exceeded my expectations. I literally have loved all of these clothes. Even the first jeans I tried on, they didn't fit the best in the waist area, but a belt would fix those like very easily, so I'll still be wearing those. I literally didn't dislike anything that I got. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. All of the links for the clothing will be down below, as well as the new in collection, which is where all of these clothes came from. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. It's TheCurlySage signing out. Peace!